Good afternoon, my name is Slade Sackman. I'm here at the MarineMax store in Fort Myers, Florida. Today we're going to preview our beautiful 2020 400 SLX Sea Ray with triple 350 Mercury outboards. As you can see, the boat has a very high freeboard on this vessel, so it's a true yacht, but it is an absolute day boat yacht. It's unbelievable. Why don't you come along the side of the boat, try and get a profile of the overall layout of the boat, and then we'll go aboard and check out the interior components of this vessel. So as you can see, as I board the back of this boat, we have this huge platform. The entire interior floor of this boat is going to be solid teak. But as you come in, you'll notice the first thing is this beautiful large sun pad. This also has some convertibility to it, as you can slide this back around to expand the seat to face the side, and you may notice the full teak side here. This is a component from the side that articulates down flat to the water, so it gives you a 270-degree swim platform. With that open, this is a major entertainment area, and as you come through the boat, as you come into the interior of this boat here, you'll start seeing incredible seating arrangements with this massive S-shaped sectional seating, large folding teak table. Here you have another companion seat, and at the galley component here, as you come around, you'll see that this is one large buffet style cabinetry countertop, but it has two grills inside of it, so you can have lots of food prep going on with heat resistant tops there. You have a large pull out refrigerator component here. Both your garbage receptacles are right in here, and then underneath this portion of this is the sink. So you have a full galley setup that's up in the air outside entertainment area. As you move forward, this companion seat has also lots of convertibility to it. It's currently set up for aft forwards or aft space. As you come to the companion side of the boat, where all your guests run the boat from, this boat has the ability to swing this entire seat around so it faces forward, so you're side by side, 4 across for the operations of this vessel. As you work through the cockpit area, we'll get back to this cabin area in a second, but as you come forward, you have a port side walkway. Again, all full teak flooring throughout the entire boat. You have a large sofa style seating here with individual armrests. As you can see right here, individual seating for 3, and then of course seating in the front and a bow table. As a captain, when you're running this vessel, you'll see that we have 2 extremely large samurai displays here that allow you to split your screens and put multiple different functionalities up here, from charts to engine diagnostics to depth sounding, radar, whatever electronic components you need for your boating adventure, you can display on these 2 very large displays. They're very flush mounted, as well as this fusion stereo head, very flush mounted, so you get this very airplane cockpit type of environment. We also have joystick control on this boat. As you can see, this knob is right here, right by my hip, very easy to control. I can operate this vessel in any manner I want with this control. Now, this may be a day boat by nature, but you have a full cabin for overnight stays if you would like, or just extra room for children or grandchildren. And as you look forward, you'll see a large full seat around table area. That whole area there can be converted into sleeping quarters. And then on your right, you're going to have a full wet head component. Very nice, finished off with lots of yacht features and yacht finishes. And as you face aft, you'll notice an additional large sleeping area. So the boat can comfortably sleep 4 individuals with a privacy curtain, so you have the abilities for overnighters. So I hope you enjoyed our brief visit with our new 2020 400 SLX Sea Ray outboard boat. My name is Slade Sackman. I'm here at Fort Myers MarineMax. My cell phone number is 239-229-8862. Please feel free to give me a call anytime, and I can arrange a private showing for you. Thank you very much, and have a great day.